Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use this drum set that I received free from Target Hey Bullseye Sampling Program. The other day I did a video about the gun. All three of the pieces had came, so I'm about to use it. Okay, this is my first time. I'm in my basement because, as you know, when a drum go up, I don't know how I can get it back down. So I'm practicing in my basement for now until I go outside. So first, we have to cut the drone on. Can you guys see that little light there? You cut it on at the bottom. Is something you push right here where my thumb at. Can you guys see that? With my thumb, you push that little button there. And when it's green, that means it's on. Okay, I have some beads in here. Now, if you wanted to swell the beads up and make them bigger, you can soak them for 3 hours. If not, you can use them like this. Okay, you guys? So I got a few beads in here. Now I'm about to cut the gun on. Okay, you see the little green here and the flashing blue there. And it's on lock right now, you guys. So I'm going to take it off the lock. Okay, so the drum do make a lot of noise, and so I don't know if you would be able to hear me or not, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm gonna try to maneuver the best way I could, you guys. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna move it back and I'm gonna toss it up in the air. Oh, you guys can see me. I'm gonna toss it up in the air. Alright, so that means I made my target and I hit it, you guys. Okay? So I would recommend this for fun. I really do like it. See the green light on now, okay, you guys? I really like this, okay? And I will recommend it for summertime for the kiddos. So let me cut it off. Okay? Make sure it's on lock. That's the main thing. Okay, so let me show you the boxes, you guys. Okay, here's just the gun I just used. You can play with the app or without the app, okay? And this is what I was targeting with the other day, okay? You can also interact it with your phone. Just download the app if you choose to. You can keep up with the score or where your buddies are when playing the game, okay? And then we have, look at this, a night tracker. This little piece here glows in the dark. Let me show you. They said this little piece here, it glows in the dark. How cool is that? So when you out, you can be able to be found by your buddies, okay? Here's what the drone come in. Once again, you can interact it with your phone, okay? And see how they shooting it, okay? So, yeah. There's 3 ways to play it. You can target practice, fly manually, or drone versus blaster. That's what I just did, okay? And this is the super gun right here. Okay, I used this one. And you see this one like it has a remote to it, you guys. It's a big blaster. It's 2-in-1. And once again, you can play with the app, without the app. And this is awesome. It has the stand on here. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to soak some of the little pellets for 3 hours so they can swell so I can maximize my target. So that's what I'm going to do. And it can hit 100 feet away. Okay. So that's it. Let me turn it around and let you guys see the back. Look at that. Look how cool this is. Okay. So I'm gonna have to find a paper also where I can order more beads because they go so quickly. But once again, I'm gonna soak the beads for 3 hours. Then this is a cool set, you guys. I'm gonna soak the bead for 3 hours and let them swell so I can maximize it. Then I'm gonna go. So I'm glad you can play it manually because that's what I will be doing. I'm a big kid. And the drum here is on the floor. Okay, you guys, I shot it down. And I thank you guys for watching. Let me let you see the drum if I don't make a mistake. And let me go this way. Let me just go this way. Y'all see it on the floor? There we go. All right, you guys. So I thank you for watching. And bye-bye for now. Bye, y'all.